So we want to take a look at what a Slack integration might look like. And you can actually create an integration. We're going to go back over to Zapier for this. You can create an integration that will take content as it's been published in, sorry, my mouse has disappeared here. There we go. You can take content and have TruEdit tell Slack when it hits a specific status, for instance. So if I load my Slack app right now, what you'd actually see is I've created a channel here for jobs that are in the final status. And while we were doing this demo, actually, it told us that that tweet, and you notice the image was even included here, that tweet was sent out in the finished status, and we know that was done at 2:24 p.m. The same thing with that Gettysburg article we were working at. It's in the final status. If I wanted to notify my production team, hey, this is in the ready for production status, I could create a Zapier automation for that. So let's actually send something to it so you can see it in real time. And for that, I'm actually going to go into the TruEdit overview app, and I've got the overview here of my publication. If you want to learn more about TruEdit overview, I believe we have a webinar on the website that covers that from a few weeks ago. So here I can see my pages, and if I want to get more information about the content that's used inside the pages, I can click on the link icon, and here it's going to show me a little pane about each of these. So I'm looking through that, and you know what? I noticed that that image, spot 1 here, is in the review status. But Will, I remember you telling me that that was finished. So I'm just going to pull up the inspector pane right here, and I'm going to move that to the final status. So now we said it's final. It's green. And green means go, of course. So let's just quit out of overview there, and we will go back over to Zapier. Did I close Zapier? Yes, I did. So let's just pull that back up. I thought I had a link there, but I don't, so we'll just go to the Zapier site, and I'll go look at my Zaps and the automations. And here's my automation to go to Slack. We'll hit run. See here it triggered, and it sent a message. So now we go back over to Slack, and we can see here it's already right there. So we can use this to essentially notify folks that are outside of the workflow, or folks that are so focused on communication that we want to put this right into the communication app. This is really useful. And just like everything else within Zapier, this is completely custom configurable. So I'm able here to configure the message text, what information goes into that. I can create a bot for it. I actually use an icon of a checkered flag for it, but if you wanted to use a hazard symbol or something else, you certainly could. And we can have it automatically attach the image, and that's what I did there.
So I like that you can just choose certain statuses to communicate, because you may have 10 different statuses, but maybe there's only 3 that really mean something to other people.
Yeah, or maybe we only want to communicate it when to specific people, so we can target the messages, with those attributes to be able to target the folks we're trying to talk to.